welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, I'm a makeup artist, and I did this beautiful two-tone Christmas look with the Colourpop and Rudolph palette. I don't want to keep you too long in this intro. I really love this look. I really love this palette. Rudolph is one of my favorite Christmas stories, Christmas movies, Christmas song. I just adore Rudolph so much. And side note, I have this sweater. When I bought this last year, I didn't realize it's a kid size. And like, it fits, but it's also really kind of tight on me. But yeah, I really love this look, and let's just get into the tutorial. I love this color story. The packaging is so adorable. And out of all the Christmas earrings I own, I do not own any reindeer earrings. Like, what is up with that? This is actually the second look I'm filming today, so I need to reapply my highlighter because I just took off the eye makeup, kept the same face makeup because that works for me. Using the Unearthly highlighters, these are amazing. I have Spellbinding, and then Twilight is just magical. So I'm gonna take Spellbinding and just touch that up. It is just so gorgeous. I am in love with these highlighters from Unearthly. They did give these to me, but I am just obsessed. Also, my makeup might look a little rough because I went out Christmas shopping. When I'm filming this, it's just been raining all day. I hate it. I want snow so bad. This Twilight shade, like, you kind of like gotta dig into it to get the product, but it just sparkles all over, and I just love dabbing that on top, just literally everywhere. It's like, it is named Twilight for a reason. Like, I love it. I even like putting it like in my brows, just little sparkles everywhere. So I'm gonna quickly prime with my Anastasia eye primer. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do green on this side and red on this side, and just using this palette. So I'm gonna start on the red side. I'm gonna dip into Independent Together and then use that as sort of like a transition shade. And I just have a fluffy brush. When you're doing a two-toned eye, something that is like key to have is one of these color switches, or just like a towel or something that you can wipe off your brush. Game changer. Just take an Independent Together. Oh shoot, I said green on this side. Whatever. This is gonna be the red side then. So yeah, just sweeping this in the crease. Gonna use this as more of as a transition shade. And just really focusing that in the crease and blowing it up and out. Now, I actually did do a two-tone eye look with this palette last year, but I went super dark, and I kind of just want to try to do a lighter version of that. Same style of brush, just a multiple of it. I'm going to now dip into, I think, Mush. I think that'll be good with the greens. More of a cool tone, like gray. And then just same thing, just building it up and sweeping it up and out. Looking a little funky. Going back to the red side, this is a little bit of a flatter blending brush, and I'm going to dip into Full Power, which is the deep red in here. I'm just picking up just a little bit of that, and I'm going to start building this on the outer V. I'm not going to take this all across the lid, which is what I did last year. I'm just focusing that right on the corner. Just lightly stamping it before going in and blending it, because I do not want any fallout. Once that's down, I'm going to take the same brush with no additional product and just start to softly blend that into that transition shade. As you blend, you do lose some of the pigment. That's why you just always got to build it back up. I'm going to go back in with Independent Together and just really soften just that top line. Same type of brush. I'm going to now dip into Christmas Time, this beautiful deep green. And we're going to do the same exact thing, really stamping it before going in and blending. I have found that this green can be a little finicky to work with, but you just really have to take your time with it and it will work out. But it can look a little bit patchy when you're blending. Okay, and go back in with Mush and just soften that edge, and then go back in with Christmas Time. Okay, I'm going to start by working on the lower lash line. I'm going to dip and do the green side first. And this is just like a flatter brush that's perfect for the lower lash line. I'm going to take that Christmas Time shade and focus that right there. You could do it green on the bottom, red on top, and vice versa. But I just want two completely different eyes. Not taking that too far over, just about halfway. And I am also connecting that to the top. Same type of brush, go back in with Full Power and repeat that on the other eye. For the green side, I'm going to take that original brush with Mush and just right underneath. Just give that a slight blend, taking it a little further towards the inner corner. And do the same thing on the red side with Independent Together. I'm really going to sweep that around in a C shape repeat that on the green side and just really make sure that the edges are blended. On the green side, I'm going to take Elf Practice across the lid and then a little bit of North Pole on top of it also. And I'm just going to use my finger. Elf Practice is so pretty. I'm going to pat that all over. Also, I'm going to take the Elf Practice lower lash line and just sweep it over just like that. Now I'm going to go in with my finger and North Pole. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. So I'm going to take a touch of that on my brow bone. I love that. Now for the red side, I'm going to go into Handsome Nose and put that all over the lid, and then Misfit Toys on the inner corner. And it's just such a pretty red. And again on the lower lash line, and Misfit Toys right on the inner corner, and a little bit on my brow bone. I'm also going to take Misfit Toys and just sprinkle that right on top of that red because it's a little dirt. I want it to be a little bit lighter like the green. Alright, so this is the red side. My eye is watering. Don't worry about that. I will get that fixed. And this is the green side. I absolutely love this. So I'm going to, I know I've been doing this a lot, but I'm going to hop off camera and just do probably just a simple wing. I'm going to put a red liner in this eye, a green liner in this eye, and then figure out something for my lips, and then I'll be back to wrap up this video. Alright, and here is my finished look. I love how this looks, even though this eye would not stop watering. It's just my eyes are rejecting everything that I've been doing lately. But I absolutely love doing a two-tone eye. I think the red side and the green side are equally pretty. I am of course partial to the red. I just absolutely love red eyeshadow. So to let you know what I did with my eyes, in my waterline I put in the red and green eyeliner from Elli Beauty. For the small wing that I did, I went in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. Love this stuff. I think this one's drying out though. And for lashes, I went in with the style Garters from Kiss. For mascara, I used the Anastasia Lash Brag, and I used that obviously on my lashes and then as like the splatter because I had to gruntify this a little bit. And then on my outer corners I have a little gem, and those are from Half Magic Beauty. And my lips are from Elli Beauty. This is the shade Slay. Absolutely love this. That is everything makeup wise, but all the makeup details will be posted in the description below. That completes this video. Let me know what you think. Which side do you like more? Do you like the red? Do you like the green? Do you like the two-tones? Should I do more two-tone looks on my channel? Let me know. But I think that's it. If you want, you can keep up with me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, I am devouring bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. I want to thank you all for your continued support in this 25 Days of Christmas series that I've been doing. It's been so fun. There's just a few days left, and I'll be honest, I am ready to take a break from doing makeup, but it's been a lot of fun to do. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I think that's everything that I need to talk about. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Happy holidays, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye! I think that my Christmas has died.